What's good, everybody, and welcome back to the Shantae Family Fortress, where there's fun, music, education, and family. What do we hear? What is it? Do you remember? Yeah. Thunder? Thunder? Yes, the thunder. Thunder. So in today's video, we're talking about the weather. We're letting Shantae see the rain and the wind that's outside. Yeah, that's outside. Yeah. We saw some lightning. We're hearing thunder. So we're going to talk about it and see how she reacts to it, right? Yeah. What do we feel? Do you feel it? You feel it? Oh, you feel it? It's the wind. Say wind. Look, tell them. Say wind. Wind. Mwah. The wind. Wind. We're crazy. What? Look. Look at the rain. Look at the rain. You see it? It's coming down from the sky. Yeah. You see the rain? Yeah, the rain. Look at it. Look. Tell everybody. Look. Tell them. Say, look at the rain. Yeah, look at the rain. Oh my God. The rain. Rain, you want to sit down? You want to sit down? Okay. Sit, sit, sit. Come sit with mommy. Sit. Good boy. You're always aggressive. Look, do you feel it? You feel the wind? Look, let me see your hand. You feel the wind? Yeah, you feel the wind? Bless you. Cover your mouth. Cover your mouth. Look, you see the rain? Rain? Look, rain. Cover your mouth. People driving by. Yeah. Bless you. All right, you sneezing a little bit more than mommy like. So we're gonna end this video getting hot. They always drive fast. She's getting kind of chilly because of the wind. Yeah, you see the wind, the trees moving. It's the wind. So I've seen her sneeze a few times. So I'm gonna let her go in and get out of the rain. So that's all we have for y'all this time at the Shantae Family Fortress. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get instant updates. Peace.